And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a wrench icon in Adobe Illustrator. We can get that quickly done with only two basic shapes. Under view I've got the smart guys and snap to point activated. Use the rectangle, create a freeform rectangle, something like this. I've got a black fill, no stroke, and set that maybe to 45. That's a good angle. Now we need an ellipse. Hold Shift and Alt when you drag that, and then reposition it. The smart guides help us finding this 45-degree center position of the rectangle. Hold Alt and drag a copy out of the rectangle. You can hold Shift and it'll snap to the 45-degree angle. And now select it all. Use the Shape Builder tool to get rid. Hold Alt for that of the top portion and connect the other ones. Maybe the circle was a little bit too big, so let me size it down holding Shift and Alt. If you want to undo steps, you can simply press Ctrl Z. I need to reposition the top rectangle as well. And then again, select it all. Use the Shape Builder to hold Alt. Get rid of the top one. And this is how you can create a wrench icon in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.